What's going on down there?
Why, look at her. Look at them both, Smith. The blind Muse, proud on her golden pillar.
And Miss Elgood, just playing with her eyes closed. But she's just a little old woman, isn't she?
Is she? Is she? Do you hear how the sound
Fills up all the empty rooms.
one by one, each room of this old house filling up with sound like running.
Why, she's like...
A little girl, like a little girl, putting her hands out of the window to feel.
To feel what?
Why, of course, to feel the rain. As she plays, the rain falls again and again. I hear it pattering through my dark hotel, filling up all the dry rooms, one by one.
The rain falls cool at the open windows, and there it goes, rinsing down the baked floorboards of the porch. Do you hear it, Mr. Turtle, do you? I hear it.
It falls on the rooftop and on the hot hissing sand. It falls on the rusted car and the empty stable and the dead cactus in the yard. The garden will grow. My garden will grow again.
Washes the windows, lays the dust, and
Fills the rain barrels and curtains the doors with beaded threads that might part and whisper as you walk through. And do you feel it? How it
falls on us. The weight of it.
to rain.